Welcome to this professional step-by-step guide on how to create collaborative boards on Pinterest. Collaborative boards are a great way to share and collect ideas with friends, family, or colleagues, allowing multiple people to pin to the same board. Follow these steps to set up your own collaborative Pinterest board. Step 1. Log into Pinterest. Open the Pinterest app or visit www.pinterest.com on your browser. Log into your Pinterest account with your credentials. Step 2. Create a new board. On the home page, click your profile icon or the Profile tab. In your profile, click the plus button, located at the top right of your screen, and select Create Board from the drop-down menu. Choose a board name that reflects its theme or purpose, and add a description to help other collaborators understand the focus. Make sure to toggle the collaborative option to on. This will allow others to join and contribute to the board. Click Create to finalize the board. Step 3. Invite collaborators. Once your board is created, go to the board's page and click the three dots button at the top right of the board. Select Edit Board from the drop-down. Scroll down to find the Invite Collaborators section. Enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite to the board. If they are Pinterest users, you can simply search for their username. Once you've added collaborators, click Send Invitations to notify them. Step 4. Collaborators accept the invitation. Your invited collaborators will receive a notification to join the board. They need to click Accept in order to be able to pin to the board. Once they accept, they can start contributing by pinning content that fits the board's theme. Step 5. Manage collaborators. You can add or remove collaborators anytime by going to the board's page. Click the three dots, again, and select Edit Board. Here you can manage the collaborators list, remove users, or add more people by clicking the Invite Collaborators button. Step 6. Engage and pin together. Now that your board is collaborative, all members can contribute by pinning images, videos, or even creating sections within the board to organize the content. Be sure to interact with the content by commenting or reacting to others' pins to encourage collaboration. Step 7. Monitor and organize the board. If you want to keep the board organized, consider creating sections within the board. To do this, click on Create Section within the board and name it based on a category or theme. Organizing the board helps everyone stay on track and ensures that the board stays neat and relevant. Step 8. Enjoy the collaboration. With all contributors working together, your board will soon become a rich collection of ideas and inspiration. Enjoy the process of collaboration, whether it's for a project, event planning, or general creativity. By following these steps, you can easily create and manage a collaborative Pinterest board. This is a fantastic way to work together on shared interests or projects, whether it's for professional use or just a fun group activity. Happy pinning! For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on Pinterest and other social media platforms.